this is a knee joint. Here's the femur bone and the tibia and the tendon that goes across. So I'm going to bend the knee joint. This is what it looks like when we sit. This is what it looks like when we stand. So you've got the increased weight, pounds per pressure, and then you've got the inflammatory response that's also irritating the tendon. We get a lot of chronic patellar tendonitis as a result of people just sitting in a chair, getting up to go to the bathroom. How many times do we sit and stand? You also have your ligaments. Your ligaments connect your bone to bone. We've got ligaments over here. Too much stress, unfortunately, over time, if you've got too much stress on one side of your joint, you stretch one tendon or one ligament over here, and it doesn't heal well because you've got your inflammatory markers and you've got this continual weight that's on one side of the joint as opposed to the other.